Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax for a salaried person. Filing your income tax return can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, it's quite manageable. The first crucial step is to gather all necessary documents. This includes your Form 16, which summarizes your salary and tax deducted at source, along with all your monthly salary slips. Don't forget to collect proofs for any investments or expenses you wish to claim as deductions, such as life insurance premiums or medical bills. Being organized from the start saves a lot of time and effort. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to choose the right income tax return form and filing method. For most salaried individuals, Income Tax Return Form 1, also known as SAHAJ, is the appropriate choice. You have two primary ways to file: electronically, which is e-filing, or through an offline submission. E-filing is generally faster and more convenient, allowing you to complete the process from home. If your financial situation is complex, involving multiple income sources or capital gains, consulting a tax professional can be very beneficial. Now, let's move on to calculating your income and applying eligible deductions. Begin by computing your gross total income, which includes your salary, house property income, and other sources. Then, identify all applicable deductions. Common deductions fall under sections like 80C for investments in Provident Fund or life insurance, and 80D for health insurance premiums. Remember to account for exemptions such as housing rent allowance and leave travel allowance, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. Accurate calculations are key to a correct tax return. The final stage involves a thorough review, submission, and verification of your income tax return. Before submitting, meticulously check all the details you've entered, ensuring there are no errors or omissions. Once you are confident, proceed to submit your return, either online or by sending the physical acknowledgement to the tax department. Crucially, you must verify your return within 30 days of filing. This verification can be done electronically through various methods, or by sending a signed physical copy. Verification completes your tax filing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.